What's up, guys? For today's video, I thought I would showcase how to make interior panels. This is my very first time making interior panels, so please bear with me. I hope I do it right. My first step is going to be to trace out a shape that is either a rectangle or a square-like shape. Once I'm finished doing that, I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and cut out the shape that I've just traced. And hopefully this shape will fit over the hinges nicely, not too big and not too small, but just covering the hinges. Because what we're going to want to do is make a box. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we're going to go ahead and take our shape and just place it over the hinges. And it fits like a glove. Now I'm going to build around that top piece, making a box to hide the hinges.
See you in the golden sand on an island far, far away. Midas touch, I'm the magic man. Follow me and let's get out of this place. We could fly over our problems, watching clouds from a private jet. But you don't have to worry about the rain when only champagne gets you wet.
I forgot to take the masking tape off before gluing it, so that is part of the van now. Now I'm just taking the cement glue and I'm going to run a fine bead along the plastic that I placed there to create a box-like shape so I can go ahead and hide those hinges. When you're finished, it should look a little something like this. And then you're going to want to trim off that excess styrene so you can go ahead and get a nice flat square shape. Voila! There you have it. You may notice that I went ahead and lowered the hinges and panels. That way the door clears the exterior panel. I thought this would be a helpful video for beginners trying to make interior panels nonetheless. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.